In this video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy process on how to change Fortnite account's password. To change your Fortnite account's password is pretty simple, so let's jump right in. Open up your Epic Games launcher or open up a web browser and type in epicgames.com/store and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your Epic Games account by entering your credentials. And then, after you are logged in, go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to your profile icon. In the expanded pop-up menu, click on Account. In the left hand side menu on the next page, click the Password and Security button. Here in this page, you'll need to type in your current password for your Epic Games account. After typing in your current password for the account, head over to the new password text box and type in a new one. Make sure to double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon. While creating your password, make sure to use 7+ characters in it. Avoid using any of your last 5 passwords that you've set for the account. Use at least one letter, one number, and no spaces in your password. On the next field, you'll need to retype in the new password. Once typing in both of your passwords, click the Save Changes button in order to change your password for your Fortnite account. That is how you can easily change your Fortnite account's password using the Epic Games website. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.